St. Mary woman found wandering in Spanish town. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full and exclusive details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The Spanish Town police are seeking the public's assistance to reunite a woman who was found wandering along Spanish Town Main Road, supposedly Burke Road in St. Catherine on Thursday, February 29. She gave her name as Sharon Foster of Edge Hill in St. Mary. Anyone with information that can assist the police in reuniting Sharon Foster with her family is being asked to contact the Spanish Town Police at 876-984-2305, the police 119 emergency number, or the nearest police station. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.